Okay, so today we are unboxing the brand new ASUS ROG Zephyrus. So, whenever you first open up the box, you're going to notice the computer on top, since that's the main attraction when you buy a gaming laptop, is the actual laptop itself wrapped in plastic. So now we have this, like, boxy envelope kind of thing. Let's see what's inside. I'm guessing it's a few manuals of some sort. Yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 manuals. Don't need those. Throw the box off to the side. Guessing there's some stuff behind this and hidden in the box. And doesn't look like there's anything in there. Check the side. Oh, yes there is. It's the charger. I was wondering where this was in here. Got the beautiful ASUS ROG logo. 2 parts to charger, the brick and other cord. And is there anything in this side? Nope. Let's see. Check the middle again, just make sure there's nothing left in here, because we don't want to throw this away whenever the box goes away. Let's just see what we got here. We have nothing. I don't think there's anything left in the box. Let's close up the box. Wait. Yeah, close up the box. Then let's put it behind us. Oh, crap, it was upside down. It's upside down. Gotta fix it so it looks better. There we go. So now right side up. Okay. Move the box. Bring the computer out. See how hard it is to unwrap this. I think there's tabs on the sides here. Let's get these off. Pull on the other side. Should be able to get the computer out now. Nope. What's holding it on here? Something's holding this on.
How do you? Oh. There you go.
There we go. Let's see if I can. There we go. Almost. Oh, there we go. Got the other tab. Does this one come off? Yeah. Okay. Now it's like a little pocket envelope thing. There's the beautiful laptop. The design on top is awesome. Okay, let's undo the charger now so we can get it plugged in to do the comparison.
What is this?
Got some very satisfying peels. If you
That's pretty nice.
open up the charger, really satisfying peel that I just butchered. Maybe it'll be really satisfying with the ASUS logo. Okay, let's grab that. Oh, it looks so good. You can see everything around me in the reflection. There's a light.
Almost dropped it.
Let's set those things up there and get it plugged in. There we go. Seamless transition. Turn that on. If you haven't already, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, so we got the Windows startup screen as usual. Let's see. We're from the United States.
I can't give up now. I've been chasing this my whole life. And if the world's gonna bring me down, then I'ma get back up and fight. I can't give up now. I got people that need me to provide. And if the world's gonna bring me down, then I'ma get back up and fight.
Yeah, look, they just wanna keep you down. They don't wanna see you crown. Keep winning, never see you frown. Yeah, keep swimming, never see you drown. Be loud, be proud. Family, gotta keep them round. Don't go down easy when they beat you down. Better keep your ground. Yeah, roll with the punches. Keep moving, no interruptions. Keep going to the day that I make my name so great. Need no introduction. Even if they go low, then I'm going above them. If I can't walk, then I'm going on crutches. And if they hate what I make and they spit in my face, okay, then I'll show them what tough is. I'm not perfect. That's why every day I'm learning. Yeah, trendsetter. Whoa, league of my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center. Hit it dead center. Bullseye, hit it the most, there's no misses. Something like fish in a barrel, it's no different. Blindfold on me, I still got the most vision. Trendsetter told them before, but they don't listen. Better, bring a better bad because I'm bigger, better solo.
You can see we have 4 devices connected, which just shows the versatility of this new laptop. This is our old computer that I have, so you can see there's like a little bit of glitchiness every now and then, and it's not as smooth.
It's unenhanced.
But now the new computer on the same setting, it is so much smoother. The final review of this laptop, it is a very good laptop for anything you really need.